what's up guys? Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I display my Rilakkuma collection, as well as some other things like stuffed toys and anime figurines. And it's basically like a room tour, only I'm only showing you the cool stuff in my room because everything else is pretty boring. So yeah, that's the video. And also thank you to Cynthia G for suggesting that I do a Rilakkuma display video because she saw my Rilakkuma collection video that I will also link in the description, so you guys can watch that and go into more detail about all my Rilakumas. So yeah, thank you Cynthia G for this video idea, and here is the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah. Alright, so to start off, this is a little pan of my room. So yes, obviously lots of Rilakumas there, and I will go into detail about stuff. So yeah, let's start off like just going on this side. This is not Rilakkuma stuff, but yeah, I have little Gudetama, tiny Gudetama collection, and my little anime figurines. So I have two of Chino from the Order Rabbit. I have Todoroki from My Hero Academia, and a little Lucy figurine. And I guess Gudetama is holding her head right now. I don't know why. And you know, baby Gudetama. So yeah. Going over here, if you guys saw my Rilakkuma collection video, I have my hugging pillows that are just off to the side because I don't really hug them that much. I have lots of other stuffed toys I like to hug. And I have my four major really big Rilakumas like sitting at the top, and that otter Rilakkuma right there, like the pink one, is just kind of chilling there because it's a lot smaller than the other ones, but yeah. So it's really nice how they're over here because it's like when you walk into my room you could just like kind of see everything, and it's like, oh, here's my hand. And you could just kind of see everything, which is really nice. And yeah, so that's where I put them. On the bed, here is my Rilakkuma pillow, which I hug sometimes. And then I also have these, let me move over here. I also have Gudetama, a little, like two little owl stuffed toys, a little hamster stuffed toy, and a little bear. And those are from my boyfriend, so you know, they sit on the bed because special places in my heart. So yeah, those are usually stuffed toys I like cuddle with, I guess. So yeah, that's what's on my bed. Also, I have that little penguin off to the side over here. Let me go closer to that. Yeah, this penguin is actually really soft. It's like one of those little, not memory foam, but Japanese soft plush insides, and I got that in Canada, so that was pretty cool. So you pan over here, and you know, after all my books and stuff, you have my tiny Rilakkuma collection little thing. So yeah, little update on my Rilakkuma collection. I got this Bonjour Rilakkuma, so really cute. It's from, oh no, okay, well that's awkward. But I guess now you can see the back. So you guys saw this in my Rilakkuma collection video, so I won't really go into too much detail. And this one is also a new update to my collection. So I finally got the bird. Oh my gosh, okay. Bad idea to touch it. Bad idea. But I also got a little bird stuffed toy. So that's it. I'll pick up the other one later. It's like on the floor and I don't want to interrupt my flow. But anyway, so also another little update. I got this little Rilakkuma corkboard thing, so that's super cute. I don't really want to put too much like photos or anything on it because that'll block the Rilakkuma design. But I thought that is super cute, and it actually came with these like Rilakkuma push pins, so that's cute. And that's me and my boyfriend, and yeah, I just put that there, and it's like on my desk, so it's like nice and stuff, and just random stuff on my desk right now. So yeah. Moving over here, I have a few other random jewelry stuff, but and a water bottle. This is my water bottle fell. This is my little Rilakkuma, I mean, jewelry box. So that's really cool. That's pretty new. Pan of the, oh, here, wait, never mind. We're going back here. This is my YouTube setup, guys. Like, I have some other random stuff here, but like, you know, my light, and I'm holding my tripod right now, but I don't know. And I have a mic that I bought, but I haven't used it yet. But yeah, I don't know if you guys would be interested, but here it is. I don't know when I will get another chance to show you, but yeah. So here you go, guys, my Rilakkuma stuffed toy collection and other cool stuff like little anime figurines and like giant Gudetama in the corner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to check out my Rilakkuma collection video, and if you like this video, comment down below and, I don't know, like and subscribe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!